In this video, we are going to discuss product life cycle and its various stages. New product development process is just the starting point of product life cycle, that is also known as PLC. In the life of business, product life cycle passes through 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Now, while plotting on a diagram, it takes the shape of a bell, leading it to call it a bell-shaped PLC curve. Let us check out the curve. As you can see, there are 4 stages in the product life cycle. Time is plotted on x-axis, while sales is plotted on the y-axis. The time as well as sales figure will depend upon product to product. In the case of a smartphone, the life cycle may be too small, say only 2 years. While in the case of a car, it may be even 8 to 10 years. In the case of FMCG products, it may be lifelong. Lux by Unilever has been there since 1925 and still it is the market leader in India, Pakistan, Brazil, Thailand and South Africa. Let us check out the stages now. Introduction. In the introduction stage, initial sales growth is slow, but marketing and promotional expenses are high, leading to negative or no profit. The company tries to create product awareness and induces trial for the product. The second one is growth. In the growth stage, sales starts picking up, leading to rising profits. The company tries to maximize market share, resulting in increase in profits. The third stage is maturity. Sales reach to its peak in this stage and then it starts declining. Profit also starts declining. At the end of the stage, the company struggles to keep its market share intact. In the fourth stage, that is decline, sales as well as profits go down. Generally, all the products pass through these 4 stages, but in some cases, the PLC curve may be different. For example, in 2009, the demand for N95 masks had gone up tremendously in India with swine flu outbreak, but the demand had fallen sharply with the improvement in curbing it. This also happens in the case of fads, the fashion that becomes hit among the people instantly, then it peaks and after that it declines very fast, and that's why the PLC curve will be very different into those cases. With the new usage of the product also, the sales and profit cycle shows a different kind of pattern like in plastics, nylon and fiber. Sometimes a product grows rapidly, reaches its peak and then fell to a petrified level. The petrified level is sustained by the replacement market of early adopters and new market for late adopters. Another PLC pattern is found in the case of new drugs when the drug reaches its peak and then declines. Again, the company pushes the product and it produces a second cycle. Now let us recap. In this video, we discussed about the stages in the product life cycle. These stages are introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Generally, all the products pass through these 4 stages. We also discussed the different possibilities of PLC curve. Thank you.